Ever noticed your leather cracking after one harsh winter? Stains, dryness, and stiff car seats make you sigh. I used to dread restoring old leather in my house. Short lived polishes never fixed cracking or dried out edges. Then I found a simple, long lasting solution unexpectedly. Meet Leather Honey Leather Conditioner, trusted since 1968. Deep penetrating formula restores and protects real leather remarkably. One application lasts at least 6 months, not weeks. No more monthly treatments, fewer products cluttering your shelf. Safe, non toxic formula means peace of mind at home. pH balanced and free of PFAS, safe for family and pets. Fragrance free, non sticky, and water repellent for year round protection every day. Works on furniture, car seats, boots, belts, and purses. Excellent for white leather too, preserves color and texture. Avoid using on suede, faux leather, or vinyl surfaces. I applied it to my cracked leather sofa yesterday. A little goes far. The bottle lasted many treatments. Apply with soft cloth, rub gently into leather grain. It soaks in without leaving greasy, sticky residue at all. Minutes later, the leather felt softer, more supple, revived. Water beads right off after treatment, impressive protection. No strong chemical smells, just clean, neutral finish. Ideal for car owners wanting showroom leather longevity. Perfect for homeowners protecting heirloom furniture and sofas. Equestrians love its effect on saddles and tack durability. Made in the USA with over 50 years expertise, trusted by leather experts, retailers, and automotive detailers nationwide. Non-toxic ingredients, no silicone, no solvents, no animal products. Great for restoring shoes, softening belts, reviving old bags. Before and after photos show clear improvement in texture. I noticed stitches loosened less, leather regained natural flexibility. Application is straightforward, simple steps, no professional tools needed. Use sparingly on darker leathers to test color absorption. Works on large upholstery and small accessories equally well. I keep a bottle in my car and at home. Saves money over time by extending leather's usable life. One treatment every 6 months. Routine becomes effortless maintenance. No need to reapply after rain or quick spills. Also protects against sun fading when used regularly. Packaging is compact. An 8 fluid ounce bottle lasts. It's a staple for anyone serious about leather care. I recommend it for family cars and vintage furniture. Easy to apply, safe around kids and pets afterwards. No oily mess, no slippery seats, just soft leather. The scent-free formula is discreet and non-intrusive overall. Ideal for restoring heirloom leather pieces with gentle care. No animal products. Vegan friendly for conscious consumers. Pro tip: buff lightly after absorption for subtle sheen. Keep your leather investment looking new year after year. Comparatively fewer applications make it eco friendly and economical. Suitable for daily drivers and weekend restorations alike. You won't miss the chemical sting of other cleaners. Works invisibly, keeps leather's natural grain and patina. I saw fading reversed and cracks visibly reduced quickly. Perfect for restoring motorcycle seats and riding boots alike. Store at room temperature, avoid extreme heat or freezing. One small bottle covers many items across seasons. Customer favorite for decades with consistently positive reviews. Made in America, quality control you can trust. Consider keeping one in your home and garage. Great gift for new homeowners or car enthusiasts. Affordable and effective. Real value for long lasting leather care. Simple routine delivers professional level results without the fuss. If you love your leather, give it proper protection. I trust Leather Honey for everything leather in my life. Ready to try? Start with an 8-ounce bottle today. Apply weight, buff. Enjoy leather that looks and lasts. Click to learn more and shop trusted Leather Honey. Protect your seats, shoes, saddles. Extend their lifespan. Stop wasting time with short term fixes, choose long term care. Join countless satisfied owners who keep leather looking great. Leather Honey. Simple, safe, proven leather protection since 1968.